Welcome to all. In this video, we learn projection of solid with axis inclined to both HP and VP. The projection of solid with axis inclined to both planes are drawn in three stages. First, simple position. Second one, axis inclined to one plane and parallel to other. And third one is final position. Let us see a problem. A square prism, base 30 mm side, height 60 mm, has its axis inclined at 45 degree to HP and has an edge of its base on HP and inclined at 30 degree to VP. Draw its projections. Now first of all, assuming the prism to be resting on its base on the HP with an edge of base perpendicular to VP. So draw its projections. Draw XY line. Now true shape is obtained in top view. So first of all, draw a square of size 30 mm in top view. Find out the center of the square prism. Now axis height is given. Axis height is 60 mm. So draw front view. This is the initial position of the square prism. Show the position of the observer. Now in intermediate position, the axis is inclined at 45 degree to HP. So when drawing this intermediate position, from base, take an angle 45 degree. And draw perpendiculars. Transfer all the points, transfer all the projector from front view to top view and top view to top view. Now show the position of the observer. Now case of visibility. When you are looking from top, this surface is dark and the point intersect at xy, that is a dash b dash, which from itself is dotted lines. So first of all locate the points. Here base is ABCD and top is 1, 2, 3, 4 and show the axis. So outline of square prism is dark line or visible line. When you are looking from top, this top surface is dark. Now the points A dash B dash which intersect the XY line. So it is away from the observer and itself represents the dotted lines. So drawn dotted lines and show the axis of square prism. Now in final position, an edge of base on HP incline at 30 degree to VP. It means that this edge of base resting on HP is inclined at 30 degree to VP. It means that you want to change the top view of an object in final conditions. So take one point and from this point draw line at an angle of 30 degree. Here the base is not changed, so there is no need to find out the beta. So draw this line at an angle of 30 degree and relocate the top view of an object. Take one point. This distance is 30 mm and from these points draw a perpendiculars. Now transfer the points. Give the names. This represents top, this represents base, and show the position of observer. It is very important for case of visibility. And transfer all the points from top view to front view and front view to front view of an objects. First of all, transfer the base. After that, transfer the top face. And look at the points. Now first of all, look at the base points. Vertical projector of A, downward projector of A. This point represents A dash. B dash. S dash. Again this point C dash. D dash. Look at the top. 1 dash, 2 dash, 4 dash, 3 dash, and 4 dash. This point is O dash. Now, first of all, draw the outer portion. It represents dark line. It means that 3 dash to D dash is dark one. 3 dash to 4 dash, again it is dark one. 4 dash to 1 dash, it is dark one. 1 dash to A dash, again it is dark one. B dash to A dash, again it is also visible lines. And B dash, D dash, again it is visible line. Now when you are looking from this direction, 1, 2, 3, 4 becomes dark portions. Okay. So first of all, draw 1 dash, 2 dash, and 2 dash, 3 dash. It is a visible lines because it is near to observer. And case of visibility in final condition, the away from the observer point is C. From C points, all points are invisible. So C dash to A dash, C dash to D dash, it becomes invisible. So show these lines are invisible lines. Again C to 4, again it is invisible lines. Again 2 to B, the visible lines. And last one, show the axis of square prism. So this is the final position of square prism. Now give the dimension 30 degree. Here theta is equal to 45 degree. Dimensions are given. Side of base is 30 mm and height of axis is 60 mm. This is your front view. This is your top view. Thank you very much.